boys and girls, welcome to Goron Guitar. We have Joji, this Japanese artist, and he released a new album recently with this very original name, Piss in the Wind. And this is a song from this album. It's called Hotel California. I picked this one. I felt this is very simple to start with, and if you want to have more songs from this album, great album, many good songs, then leave me a comment, and perhaps I will listen to you, at least when it comes to Wish Wednesdays. We have that on this channel where you wish for songs and I give your songs, whatever you want to learn, and that's a good opportunity for you to get your songs. So yeah, interact with me. Now let's focus on this cool song. Only 2 different chords, doesn't have to be harder than that, so we're gonna love that. So let's go into the 2 chords needed. By the way, no need for any capo here. The A major 7 is the starting chord, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 1st G, 2nd B, and open E. And you're gonna play that with the 2nd and last E major 7. That goes open E, 2nd A, 1st D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So back and forth between these 2 chords. We're gonna play first this moody. 3 notes 4 times. That's A major 7. You're gonna play open A, 2nd D, and 1st G. You roll that for 4 times. And then you go into this E major, and the grip will be just to move up 1 string and play that for 4 times. So that is open E in the bass, 2nd A, and 1st D. Very simple. But then you can also combine that with some strumming, and you hear that later on in the song. So now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are, and you're gonna play this as 1 string round, okay? That's the A major 7 chord, and you're gonna play down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That follows just the pattern of the pickings. So 4 times of the A major, 4 times of E major. Sounds like this. And that's it, guys. Hotel California, Piss in the Wind album from Joji. Hope you enjoy that. And again, if you want to have songs from this album, leave me a comment. I read everything. Be back. Play tuned.